When we think of bees, we often imagine them working tirelessly in the hive or collecting nectar from flowers. But did you know that there are no male worker bees? That's right, worker bees are all female. The males in a bee colony are called drones, and their lives are vastly different. Drones don't perform any of the typical duties we associate with bees. They don't clean the hive, tend to larvae, collect nectar or pollen, or even defend the colony. Instead, their singular purpose is reproduction. From the moment they emerge from their cells, drones are fed and cared for by the female worker bees, allowing them to focus entirely on one goal, mating with a queen. Drones spend much of their time flying to specific mating areas, called drone congregation zones, where they wait for queens from other colonies. When a queen arrives, the competition begins. Only the strongest and fastest drones manage to mate. However, this act is fatal. Once a drone mates, he dies instantly, his reproductive organs rupturing during the process. For the majority of drones, mating never happens. They return to the hive, where they live a relatively easy life, at least for a while. Worker bees tolerate their presence during the warmer months, but as winter approaches, things take a harsh turn. Since drones don't contribute to the hive's survival, they are no longer needed. To conserve resources, worker bees expel the drones, leaving them to perish in the cold. Though their lives are short and singular in purpose, drones play a vital role in ensuring the survival of honeybee colonies. Without their contribution, new queens could not start their own hives. So, while they may not be workers, drones are an essential part of the bees' fascinating story. Want to learn more fascinating facts about the world? Subscribe to Unknown Facts and stay curious with us.